Okay, so the project for today will be to clean up the garage so I can do some work in the workshop, even though I've got the tiger moth stored in the garage for the winter. But first, I gotta do some snow. Okay, that's not too bad, but I think there's enough snow where I can use the snow blower. Okay, that job's done. Okay, before I clean the garage, I'm going to deliver this load of wood up front. Okay, that job's done. Alright, before I clean the garage, I'm going to clean the window on this stove. I'm just going to use the ash on a paper towel. Okay, that's all nice and polished up. Okay, I'm just gonna scrape this creosote off here. Okay, while I'm here, I'm just gonna empty out the ash pan and clean out the firebox. Okay, that's burning real good. That job's done. So now let's try to clean this garage up. Okay, this project's never going to be done, but that's good enough. Alright, I got this bottle for cutting oil, and I'm going to mix it at this ratio of
10% Ballistol to 90% water for boring and cutting oil. Alright, that's about 10%.
Alright, now I'm going to fill the rest with water. And then I'll just label this. Okay, that job's all done.